It's that time of year again. So every year I usually make something crafty for my coworkers and my friends and family, and this year is no exception. I want to start off by introducing you to the cutest little angel I've ever seen. I made it my skin tone with my mom's favorite hair color, so it kind of looks like both of us. This one I would consider a quick Christmas gift, and I think it's really meaningful. I thought it looked really cute at the top of a Christmas tree as an angel on the Christmas tree. And this one's a little penguin. It's a lot simpler than the pig. I just made up the different scarf types as part of a demo, but the first one is for a Falcons fan. I wanted her little penguin to match Falcon colors. The other penguin is for somebody who really loves purple. I made them as a pair because these two people are really good friends in real life, and they sit next to each other at work, so I thought it'd be so cute. This year I really had a cute idea. I wanted to make some cookies, but instead of baking cookies, I wanted to make them out of crochet. It looks so cute, I wanted to keep some myself. Depending on the shade of yarn, I guess you could change the flavor of the cookie. So I don't know if it necessarily counts as a cookie, but to me it looks like a biscuit or a toast or some kind of little treat. And somebody put a reindeer face on it. When I saw the pattern, I just fell in love with it. I made my coworker the big polar bear, and I made his significant other the little tiny polar bear. I will say that the larger teddy bears was actually one of the worst. It was a very beginner-friendly pattern, but the time consumption was one of the worst patterns I've ever made. And it took me 3 days to make it, and usually I make one item per day. Here we have the 3 Santa piglets, and I also have 2 Christmas tree pigs. So I tried different variations on each pattern, and I also customized them based on the color that the recipient liked, their favorite color, and the personality type. I would say that these are not necessarily a quick Christmas gift. These are Yetis, and of course it's a little Yeti pair, it's a Yeti couple. So I make one for her and one for him, and I tried to use like alternating colors so that it's like a mirror of each other's colors. On the original pattern, I think that they used felt to make the design and make the little accents on it, but I just did some chain stitches and I sewed them onto it. I hope they like their gifts. I really worked really hard on those and they're really cute.